You think so? We could have that here sometimes, I think.
Put them in the crew room.
In the where?
In the crew room.
The crew room.
We have a crew room?
Put them right out in the newsroom so we could all partake in that.
Llama-palooza, I like that.
Pretty chilly out there today.
Yeah, and going to get colder. And wind-sheltered areas in the valley will be down into the mid-20s again tonight. But right in the PDX metro area, that east wind's going to continue as we look live outside in downtown Vancouver right now as the sun is setting. We'll call it a crisp and cold day and a crisp and cold night coming up. That dew point in Vancouver, just 26 degrees. Very indicative of that cold, dry air from the east side of the state coming through the Columbia River Gorge. The winds have backed off there at Pearson Air Park now, just east at 9 miles per hour. That sunrise tomorrow morning, 7:34. The waning moments of sun there at Stoller Family Estates as the sun goes down. A nice scenery there. And boy, it is cold up at Mount Hood Meadows. This live shot here, a beautiful shot with all the snow. You've got a couple of feet on the ground up there, 23 degrees. We're going into the teens there tonight. But mountain travel right now, Highway 26 over Government Camp, all clear, nothing on the road there. It is bare and dry. Don't expect any issues over the passes tonight or for the rest of the week. Okay, high temperatures today, average at Portland 47. We managed 48, so right about where we should be. 48 in Vancouver, 47 in Hillsborough, lower 50s in the southern end of the valley. Daytime, when that wind's blowing, it tends to keep the temperatures down a little bit, but it keeps the overnight lows up as well. East winds out there along the coast with temperatures in the 40s and lower 50s, and a cold afternoon for you folks over there in eastern and central Oregon. 35 and 30 at Bend, 21, just 21 at Burns. They had a low temperature last night down right at 0. Ski report 23 inches, just short of 2 feet at Timberline. Meadows 21 inches, Ski Bowl 11. And you folks are in Central Oregon, 26 inches. I don't expect any additional snow coming up until the weekend. Hey, coldest December nights. Here they are the past 6-7 years. 23 last year, 25 the year before that, 12 back in 2013. We had quite a bit of snow that December of 2013. Don't see any of that coming up anytime soon. Portland's yet to get below 32, though, this December. I think we'll do it later in the week. Visibilities are all good right now, although I do expect a little bit of fog in some of the wind-sheltered areas. Those weather headlines coming up this week. Cold east wind continues for the Portland metro area. Below freezing low temperatures in the valley yet again tonight, tomorrow night, and the next night. Again, no rain until coming up in the weekend. Here's that wind gust forecast. This plays out pretty well. East winds continue through the gorge and along the northern coastline, but south of Salem, the winds will remain light. That's why you'll have those colder overnight temperatures down there. And again, I expect that wind to continue all the way through Friday afternoon. Morning forecast lows tonight, 29 in Vancouver, 25 in Hillsborough. Could be a couple degrees colder than that on the far outlying areas. And there's those 20s, just 22 at Corvallis. Quick look at the weather pattern shows that ridge of high pressure continues up over the Pacific Northwest until we get to Saturday and Sunday. There's a dip in the jet stream that introduces a chance of rainfall coming in. First shot on Friday night, a little bit better chance there on Sunday. Okay, 7-day forecast, sunny and cold the next few days. Temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. And then there's that chance of rain over the weekend. Looks a lot like December, but a dry one at that.
Get dry and sunny all week, so then get ready for the weekend. Thanks, Steve.
We all love the weekend.
Thank you, sir. All right, still to come, how the nation is remembering